R.K.Harish and I'm of class 9th. I'm today here to present a seminar on the topic motion. Introduction. Most motions are complex. Some objects may move in a straight line. Others may take a circular path. Some may rotate and a few others may vibrate. There may be situations involving a combination of these. In this chapter, we should first learn to describe the motion of objects along a straight line. We should also learn to express such motions through simple equations. What is motion? Motion is a phenomenon by which an object changes its position with respect to time. Motion is mathematically described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed, and frame of reference to an observer, measuring the change in position of the body relative to the frame with a change of time. Distance and displacement. Distance is a numerical or occasionally qualitative measurement of how far apart objects are, points are in physics or everyday usage. Distance refers to the physical length of an estimation based on other criteria. Displacement. In geometry and mechanics, a displacement is a vector whose length is the shortest distance from the initial to the final positions of a point P undergoing motion. Uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. As the object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. If unequal distances are travelled by an object in equal intervals of time, then its motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity that refers to the rate at which an object changes its position. It is a vector expression of the displacement that an object or particle undergoes with respect to time. The SI unit of velocity meter per second. Average velocity. Average velocity is the initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. So mechanically we can write it as u plus v by 2. Equations of motion. There are three equations of motion. They are s is equal to ut plus half at square, p is equal to u plus at, p square minus u square is equal to as. In this, s is the distance, u is the initial velocity, t is the time taken, and a is acceleration. So these are the three formulas which we will use to solve questions later. So this is the question 1. In this question, a motorboat started from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meters per second for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? So in this question, it says that it starts from rest. So u is equal to 0. And it accelerates in the straight line at a constant rate of 3 meters per second. So a is equal to 3 meters per second. And the time is 8 seconds. So with the given information, we can use the formula v is equal to u plus 80 and also s is equal to ut plus half at. So we will use the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. So we will do that s is equal to ut plus half at square. In this question, s is equal to 0 and t is equal to 8 plus half into acceleration which is equal to 3 meters per second square and time is equal to 8 seconds square. So 8 into 8. So when we further simplify it, 0 into 8 is equal to 0 and 2 and here 2 cancels here 4. So is equal to 3 into 8 is equal to 24 which is 24 into 4 and the answer is 96. And we will move on to the second question. So in this question, a ball is steadily dropped from a height of 20 meters. If its velocity increases uniformly at a rate of 10 meters per second square, with what velocity will it strike the ground? After what time will it strike the ground? So in this question, the final velocity and the time is asked. And the given information is s, which is distance, is equal to 20 meters and initial velocity is 0. Because it is dropped and the acceleration is 10 meters per second square. So here we can use the formula v square is equal to u square plus 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. So here v square we have to find. So v square is minus u square is equal to 0. So 0 square is equal to 2 into acceleration, which is 10, into distance, which is equal to 20. So from this we are at v square is equal to 20 into 10 into 10 is equal to 400. So v square is equal to 400 and v is equal to 400 root. So v is equal to 20 meter per second. And in this question also it is asked what is the time which will it strike the ground. So we have to find the time with the formula v is equal to u plus at. So when we do it, the v is 20 and the u is 0 and the acceleration is 10 and the time taken is we have to find it. So we get it as 20 is equal to 10t. So from that we can get that t is equal to 20 by 10, which is equal to t is equal to 2 seconds.